Now, as I told you in earlier video, science subject is a progressive subject and everyone is having freedom to look after that inventions and every theory to according to the all perspectives which are present just now. Now, like that, Mendeleev's periodic table is checked time by time and some merits and demerits come forward after that theory. Now, first of all, we look the merits. Now, merits of periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic table. First merit was he was first scientist, first scientist, scientist who classify all well-known elements up to his time. That is, all 63 elements were classified by this scientist, that is Mendeleev. Now, this is the first merit. Now, second merit is what? Now, atomic mass number of beryllium, that is Be, was 14.09 before Mendeleev is going to prepare the periodic table. After that, it is correct to 9 point. After that, it is correct to as a 9.4, 9.4, and Be, that is beryllium, is kept before boron, that is B for boron. Now, first merit was what? He was the first scientist. Mendeleev was the first scientist who classified all well-known elements up to his time, and at second was atomic mass number of beryllium was 14.9 before, but after that 9.4 atomic mass number is discovered and beryllium is kept before boron in the periodic table. Now, third and fourth atomic third and fourth merits are that. Now, third merit is what? Mendeleev kept blank spaces, in table for upcoming elements. Also, he has predicted the names of elements such as Ica silicon, Ica aluminium, and Ica boron. Now, the third merit was Mendeleev has kept the blank spaces for upcoming element they yet to be discovered, and he has also suggested their names and properties also, such as Ica silicon, Ica boron, and Ica aluminium. These elements are after discovery, the names of these elements are changed respectively scandium, gallium, and germanium. Now, the elements are showing same property, that's why the blank spaces kept by Mendeleev was successfully fulfilled by this type of element. Just the after discovery, this Ica silicon, Ica aluminum, and Ica boron has got change in name only, but properties are same. And fourth most important properties are that Mendeleev has prepared his periodic table before discovery of zero group elements, that is noble gases. After the discovery of noble gases, all noble gases are arranged to the one side. All noble gases arranged to one side of periodic table. Therefore, there is a no adjustment done while arranging the noble gases or zero group element in the periodic table. That was the most important merit of that four merits. Now, keep in your mind, first merit, he was the first scientist who classify all well-known element up to his time. Second merit is what? Beryllium is the element which is having atomic mass number 14.9. It is corrected after some time and it is seen that 9.4. That's why the beryllium is having small atomic mass number. That's why beryllium is kept before boron. Now third one is what? Mendeleev has kept some blank spaces in his periodic table. He said that these blank spaces are for upcoming elements, which shows the property which he has predicted before, and he has also predicted the names also: Eka silicon, Eka boron, Eka aluminium. Such like after the discovery, that elements just got change in name, but properties are same: scandium, germanium, and gallium. Now fourth merit, all noble gases are arranged to the one side of periodic table without any disturbance in periodic table. These are the four main merits. These merits will be asked for 2 marks. Now 4 points we have to write among these. Now we will just see the demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. Now demerits have come in front after such scientific look afters. Now scientists have discovered the demerits also in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Now first demerit is what? Mendeleev has not given the fixed place to hydrogen. Mendeleev has not given fixed place to hydrogen. According to Mendeleev, hydrogen is showing similar properties with alkali metals also and halogens also. That's why there is an ambiguity to fix the place of hydrogen with alkali metals or with halogens. Now second one is what? Cobalt and nickel. Cobalt and nickel is having the atomic mass number in whole number. They are showing same atomic mass number. Whole number means what? Approximately pause karo. Cobalt and nickel is having 59 is the atomic mass number approximately in whole numbers. Now there is an ambiguity to put which element before after that element. Cobalt and nickel that are having whole number in whole number the same atomic mass number. That's why there is one question arise in that the cobalt and nickel which is having less atomic number is kept after the element which is called as a which is having the greater atomic number, just like 59.71 and 59.58 something. Now just like this, which is having smaller atomic mass number has to come before, and which is having atomic mass number greater has to come afterward. Now the third demerit was after the Mendeleev has kept the isotopes in different groups, as they have to be kept in same group. And fourth one is what? The different elements are kept in same group, such as manganese. Mn. Manganese is manganese is kept in halogen family, which is most electronegative in nature, and manganese and these halogens are having totally different properties with each other. Now the first was what? First demerit is what? He has not given the fixed place to hydrogen. Now second one is what? Cobalt and nickel is having ability to kept one before another because their whole number, atomic mass whole number is same. Now isotopes are kept in different groups. They have to be kept in same group as isotopes are look like show the same properties. And fourth demerit is what? Different elements are kept in same group, such as manganese is kept in halogen family as halogens are most electronegative, and manganese and halogens are having totally different properties. So different properties elements are kept in same group or same rows, and similar property having isotopes are kept in different groups. These are the four demerits we can keep in our mind.